So good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, all the senior dignitaries, industry leaders and senior officers, and a lovely audience. Myself, Vikas, I feel great honor, great privilege to present on behalf of Tally Solutions. So today I'm going to talk about Tally. So I believe that everybody in the hall must be knowing about Tally or must heard about Tally. So it is basically a homegrown, make in India, made in India company. And when we talk about Tally, Tally is basically hand in hand, it goes with accounting and a business operation. So based on that, I'll be just taking you through, because I have 10 minutes passage, I'll just take you through that what we do, how we do, and for all the businesses and even for the government organization, how we are serving as a solution. So I'll just request, you can just please go on. Can you change the slide, please? Yeah. So whatever we do for any government organization or for any businesses, it is based on the simplicity part. So that way we have developed our entire solution to address all the businesses over India and to the government organizations as well. We have the larger base. Can you please click? Yeah, thanks. So as I said, the fundamental is the simplicity. But yes, whatever we do for the organization, for the government organization, various programs we are doing, various projects we are doing with the Tally Solutions. So there is a lot of things going around, and we do always the three things. What I saw is innovation, intelligence, and impact. It has been 3 decades now. Tally, from day one, it is already intuitive. We always know that whatever you know in the business, whatever you want from the business, that a Tally as a software should do for you, it is always intuitive. It is one step ahead to help you to basically go and operate your systems, whatever you do. Now let's look at the product, what we do have. There are 2 products. One is Tally multi-user and Tally single user. That is one line of product. And the other product is for the enterprise and government. That is Tally Prime server as well. It is for the enterprise and government, for the security, for the concurrence, and for various other activities to basically serve you on that. Now let's look at I think you all know about that as Tally, we do a lot of various other things around the banking, around the bookkeeping, inventory management. Obviously, there is a compliance management. Even from the day one when the GST has been launched, we are ready to help all the organization in the India. Payroll capabilities, there are a lot of things happening around in the banking and how we are automating it and how development and innovation is going through. There are a lot of things in the financial reporting. So we do a lot of reporting, MIS, whatever, as a business or as a government project or a government department, whatever you want to basically see and basically take your decision. Hand in hand, the MIS reports are always there with you. So coming on the reporting capabilities, there are 4 pillars based on that. We always say that it is intuitive, as I mentioned in the beginning. It is always giving you hand-in-hand information, whatever you want, in your way. So I'm not saying that it is hard-coded, it is on your way. It is with a simplicity, and you can take your data and your powerful dashboards is already there. The way you want to see, the way you want to analyze the data, you can definitely do that. Obviously, there is accurate and insightful reports, and there are various other navigation, which make it very easy to use and which make it very sensibly how you can take a very informed decision for your projects for the enterprise as well. Now let's slightly go deep in that what sort of reports we do. So for the government bodies, for the government programs, we can just look at the ledger report, cash book, purchase, sales, and there are several other things on the cost category, budget, There are a lot of things on the expenses and budget, then the cash flow, how the cash flow is going around in the project. Then on the third side, on the financial report, which is again very, very important. Obviously that there is a balance sheet whenever you want, which way you want, the balance sheet is already there. Then there is various other reports related to your financial reports. This is nothing to mention, but I think you must be aware about that. We have a huge network across India and outside India as well, wherein the partners are going to support you whenever, wherever you are in any part of any corner of the country or outside India as well. There are certified partners and enterprise partners also across India. They are going to serve you, they are with you there. Now the requirement, what we have seen is there is a robust first fund management system required in the various projects, in the various government projects. Then there is a bookkeeping and there is audits required. So there is a report available, there is a functionality available in the product. Budget allocation, that's a very interesting and very important subject. So Tally always support on the budget allocation and how to control and how to track that particular budget, how it's going on within the project, within the organization or within the department. Then financial accounting and business compliances, it is always there for the government organization. GST, I will not talk about, but various other taxation or maybe a tedious things that Tally is taking care. But GST for the other businesses, for all SME or maybe for the enterprise, GST is already there. And it is very seamless, very simple. Now let's look at the need, what we call is fund management solution. So there are two blocks there where we are saying that Tally is a preferred solution because of the fund management solution capability we do have. And then for the enterprise or for the public sector, we are also serving several public sector organizations that is with you. Now let's look at some of the government organization who is already using Tally for their various projects, for various their requirements and needs. There are a few of them, there are many other as well. Now look at some of the funding agencies. So all funding agencies is also using Tally or promoting Tally for their projects and wherever there is a requirement. Now let's look at a few of the figure in various projects like NRHM, NRLM. NRLM means National Rural Livelihood Management. Then FPO project, that is Food Farmers Producers Organization, and then SSA. So now these are the adoption of Tally, and every level Tally is being used. These are some of the figures wherein the departments and the actual user at the zero level, they are also using Tally and they are taking the reports there. Now let's look at the solution for the government entities. Government entities, as I mentioned, there is a FMS solution required, that is fund management solution. So for that, what we are doing is the key capability, what we see, whatever you think of around the FMS solution, we have already built in that particular solution. That is a centralized chart of accounts, budgeting, then multi-level approvals. That is very important, and that is very every FMS should be there. And then there is a consolidated dashboards is also there. But then bank integration, which is again very important point. So that's are the key capabilities. There are several reports, so utilization certificates. There are several other fixed asset depreciation schedules. Then the balance sheet consolidation, and then MISN for the mission mode projects as well. A benefit, so because the key capabilities and the reports available, the benefits is already there for you all, for all the FMS requirements. This is a slightly cluttered slide, but yes, the entire FMS solution from A to Z, it is going to be captured in that way that every single point has to be monitored, has to be captured, and have to be also giving the report to all the senior officers from the bottom to the top. So this way it goes around, and this gives a confidence that entire FMS solution from Tally solution is there to help you around. So with that, I conclude myself. We are outside there also. If you have any query, any questions, please, we will love to talk to you. If any query, we'll be definitely going to solve you. Thanks. Thank you.